Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect ballet bun. So you need water, hairspray. I like aerosol and the spray. I like to use two different types of pins, and a fancy one, you need a good brush and some ponytails. All right, let's get started. I'm actually getting ready to film a few episodes, so I'll be doing a high bun in this video. You're going to start with spraying your hair with some water and making sure your supplies is all nearby so that you don't have to reach for it while your hands are up. You're going to just start to brush your hair, and I actually like to add a little bit of hairspray while I'm brushing it so that when I do put it in a ponytail, it's nice and easy to put up. So you're going to start brushing it, making sure that there's no knots or tangles. I like my hair nice and smooth. And you're going to tie that ponytail or elastic band up. I actually like to use two of them to really secure the ponytail. And you're just going to use some water and some more of your hairspray, and just smooth it all out. As you can see, I like to use my hands to smooth it all out. So make sure your ponytail's nice and tight. Now you're going to get your pins ready. I like to use two different types of bobby pins. The first one I just showed is what I like to use to wrap my bun around. So you're going to take your ponytail, make sure it's nice and wet, just a little damp, and you're going to brush it out so you avoid random hairs falling out of the bun. And you're going to twist it, twist it, twist it. You're going to slowly twist it around that base of the ponytail, and you're going to begin to stick the pins in. So you're going to stick them on an angle where you're pushing them into the bun and then hooking it in so it really gets into that base of the ponytail. You can see that kind of motion I just did there. And you're just going to slowly go around the bun, making sure not to miss any important parts. You'll kind of feel where you think you need extra pins. You might have some flyaways. You can hairspray as you go. Now, I don't use a hairnet in this video, but if you have a lot of layers in your hair or you choose not to use hairspray, feel free to use a hairnet and it'll just kind of keep all those flyaways in. Now, you can also take the other style of bobby pin that's usually used more for pinning the hair back if you want to do a nice braid. Excuse me. So you can also use those if you do have some flyaway hairs and you don't want to use a hairnet and the other bobby pins just aren't cutting it. So this exact one you can use. I actually use it to make sure that I have no bumps in the back. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. So I'm smoothing it all out. All right, so I'm just going to continue to smooth things out and fix anything that I think needs fixing, whether that be a flyaway hair or a little bit more hairspray, or I just need to tighten that bun because we want to make sure it stays on the entire class. Sometimes we have long filming days, so I just want to make sure that I'm not having to fix my hair throughout the filming. And I do love to add a special little accessory to make the bun special and unique. Now's the point where I would normally take my aerosol hairspray and just kind of secure everything in, sort of like a top coat in a manicure. And I'd use that for touch-ups for the rest of the day. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it if it helped you out.